what are Rules 17.10 and 17.2 of the Mississippi Rules of Criminal Procedure, and how do they protect you? Stay tuned to find out. Today we're going to talk about the different types of discovery rules that apply to Mississippi criminal cases. There are two rules in the Mississippi Rules of Criminal Procedure that deal specifically with what is to be produced when a person who's charged with a crime asks for discovery. In misdemeanor cases, Rule 17.10 handles those cases. There is a list of things that the prosecution must turn over whenever a defendant requests things under this rule. Rule 17.2 deals with felony cases. These are the more serious cases. Rule 17.2 is more broad than Rule 17.10, and for good reason. 17.2 deals with felony cases or the more serious cases. In those instances, the state is forced to give up essentially everything that they have regarding this prosecution. Not everything they plan on using at trial, but everything they have, even if it's bad for them. Rule 17.10 is arguably less broad than that. There is a subsection of that rule, 6 namely, that kind of opens the door up. It basically says the prosecution has to turn over any exculpatory information. And that's kind of a trap for prosecutors because they can't necessarily know in advance what might be exculpatory in the eyes of a defendant. What might look to be inculpatory, meaning proving guilt, to the prosecutor might actually be exculpatory, meaning proving innocence, to the defendant. So the best practice for prosecutors there is to go ahead and turn over what they have in misdemeanor cases as well. Now, this is a two-way street. If a defendant requests discovery under either of these rules, they then have an obligation to turn over to the state whatever they plan on using in support of their positions at trial. Now, that's not everything the defense has, mind you. Whatever they discover, that's not it. It's whatever they plan on using, putting on into evidence at trial, and that is more limited than the obligations that face a prosecutor.
Want to know more? Like and subscribe to our Eichelberger Law Firm channel to check out more videos on this and other important legal topics.